everyone. I am number 7, Justin. Today, my story is we are sailors. We are sailors. We are happy sailors. We are sailing in the sea. We are noisy sailors. We are foreigner violins. We are noisy sailors. We are foreigner drums. We are busy sailors. We are making rice ceremonies. We are busy sailors. We are cooking soup. We are strong sailors. We are catching fish. We are strong sailors. We are watching the flower. We are smart sailors. We are looking for treasure. A pirate is coming. We are brave sailors. We are fighting for our